fields stretch out to greet the dawn. With hands of earth we plant the seeds. The sun smiles down as we march on. In unity we meet our needs. The wind whispers through the corn rows. With every season comes our strength. Through rain or shine, the love still shows. Our bonds grow deep and far in length. Together we grow with hearts so true. Farming dreams beneath skies of blue. We sow the future in the fields we know. Together we grow. Together we grow. The barns stand proud with stories told of harvest days and nights so bold. With every grain in hands we hold, from youth to age our tales unfold. In every furrow, every row, we see the hopes of those before. With every sunrise our joys bestow, a life of meaning to the core. Together we grow with hearts so true. Farming